How to create Google Forms. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, open your preferred browser and then search for Google Forms. Now, open this first website. Simply log in or sign up if you do not have already an account. Then create a blank form like this. From here, you will be able to add questions and also add options. In order to add options, simply go to add other and done. You can also use checkboxes, drop down, and many more. But if you want to use a template, you can also find several templates. So here you go. All you have to do is edit the template and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.